Carlos Yulo mag-quit na daw sa gymnastic.
What? Titigil na ako mag-gymnastic kasi hindi ko na kaya.
No! God, please, no! No!
When hard time comes, it's easier to quit, di ba? Right?
Hindi totoo yan. Bola lang yan.
But have you ever thought, what if you keep going instead?
Kaya ko to, walang tulog.
Sometimes our emotion controls our choices. Pag nahihirapan tayo, parang gusto na lang nating sumuko.
Kakamali ka. Hindi kita pinabayaan. May ginagawa akong paraan na give up ka lang.
When we face challenges, it feels it's easier to give up. But let me tell you about Carlos Yulo.
Over some years now too, seemed to lose his way for a little while, changed his coach.
Our Philippines Olympic gold medalist. He almost quit so many times. Naiiyak na siya, nasasakta na siya, and yet hindi siya sumuko.
Nag-pray din po kay God na tulungan ako sa magiging desisyon ko. Hindi po yung loob ko. Tinutuloy ko siya, hindi siya madali talaga.
He cried. He was in pain. But he never gave up. What if he chose to quit?
Pagod ka na ba? Yung tipong wawalan ka na ng pag-asa? Huwag kang mag-quit!
Do you think he would have become a champion? Champions like Carlos Yulo knows that our emotions are just feelings. They don't decide our future. Kaya naman kahit mahirap, tuloy lang siya. That's why even when it's tough, he kept going. So when you feel like quitting, remember champions don't quit.
I don't lose! I win! That's my job! That's what I do!
Ikaw din, kaya mo. You can too.
I'll never give up. Never.
Want to know more about becoming your best self? Keep watching my videos, follow and share with your friends. Together, we can be champions.